In this video, we're going to give you a quick overview of the Handy Golf Swing Recorder. So to access the recorder, simply select the camera button here. Now what you'll notice when you start up, the Clear Swing IQ technology is going to come into play. What's happening here is optimizing for light, and it's going to give you the best camera settings to really allow you to see some great footage of your golf swing. Now what you'll notice is we have different modes of capture. We have manual, voice, and auto record. By default, auto record is going to work fantastically in the app. We also have an ability to select which camera you want to use, what club, so I'm going to use a pitching wedge here, and then we also have some settings that we have more in-depth videos of. One thing to note is by default, autosave will not be on, and what this means is when you're using the auto detect, you'll have to manually save each swing, or you can select this on and that will save every swing that you make. And then if you look here, we also have a motion of full shot or swing only. So full shot is going to capture a little after the ball, so that's going to be really beneficial if you want to see the ball fly, or swing only, which is just going to capture the swing. So if we're using auto record, as most of you will do, all we need is for it to be on the auto record setting, step into frame, it's going to recognize our body, and then we can just hit a shot, and then you'll see how the camera processes that swing and then automatically does a replay. Now, if you don't want to view that swing, you can just hit another shot and it will capture the last swing you made. So, okay, that one made a bad swing, so I want to go and see what that was all about. So it then brings up the video player here. I can pause that swing. I can draw some lines on it if I want. I can change the playback speed, the wheel sensitivity, all these features. What I will say is we have some more in-depth videos to explain everything. This is just a brief overview. I can also save up on the top right if I've not got auto saved enabled. I can also press info. Here I can put any comments, what I was working on. I can put the position, so that was face on, that shot shape, whatever shot shape it was there. And then I can add any comments, like I've said, what I was working on, and then I can save, and that is going to save to the library. And that's a brief overview. Like I said, we've got plenty more videos of exactly what all the buttons and all the features do within the Swing Analyzer and Swing Recorder.